Hi, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, in this video, I'm going to swatch Kuretake Gansai Tambi Granulating colors. And this is the new set, the second set. And this is the first set I bought a while back. Let's take it out. You can see that I actually did swatch it, but I didn't post the video. Somehow I got busy, I guess. Since I swatched this, the first set, I actually haven't used it in my painting because it's so specific. I think unless you are really advanced, it's hard to fit this into your regular style. In a way, you kind of have to fit in this unique style and color. But of course, I'm not speaking on behalf of everybody. I know many talented artists that they can paint with anything and use any art supply, and it turns out amazing. And this is the second set. Compared to the first set, it seems that the color on the second set appear to be more vibrant. I'm going to start from the first set. So far, the first two seem to have some kind of purple tone, and the third one has some kind of green tone. And this one's supposed to have blue, but it still looks quite purple to me. The fifth color is a brighter color, much more vibrant compared to the rest. I'm going to write down the names before I forget. Now I'm going to swatch the second set. For the second set, I don't see much granulation for this first color, Cosmic Red, but it's more vibrant compared to the more muted color from the first set. So it seems you get some variety of colors in the second set. They are very different from each other. These two are a little bit similar. The purple, the blue a little bit similar, but we definitely get some variety like bright red and brighter green. But then I don't seem to see much granulation on this. Now let's take a closer look on the first set. It's really beautiful. First one is the red, and then the second one is the pink. They look very similar. The third one's supposed to be orange, but I see a lot of green. And it seems the orange is like undertone beneath it. And then this one is supposed to be blue. Still kind of like a purple color to me. And the violet, of course, is very purple. Still drying, not fully dry yet. And then this is the second set, Cosmic Red. I do see some light orange undertone. And this one is Cosmic Olive. I may have to add more water to see the granulation effect. This one is Cosmic Green. Still not much going on. This one is the blue. And violet seems to have some light blue undertone in the granulating color. I probably should add more water and to see if I can show more of the granulating effect. Okay, now I'm adding more water. So looks like they are dry now. And after adding more water, you can definitely see more color variation show up, especially for this cosmic olive. This one looks more like brown before that. And after adding more water, you can definitely see more green tone here. And then the cosmic green. Maybe I didn't add enough water. Still look quite similar. And then the blue. After adding more water, and you can see some orange. And then the cosmic violet. Looks like light blue color with purple granulating color. And while it was drying, I also do some mixing. This one is cosmic red with some olive. This is regular red, and after adding some olive, it seems to muted the color quite a bit. And then the cosmic green and red. The color is more interesting after I added the red. And then this cosmic blue and green. I like this mix. So if you like these two colors, you can write it down and try mixing it yourself. And this one, I mixed the cosmic olive with aurora orange. Kind of like this really nice muted brown tone. It could be great for painting trees. And then cosmic green plus olive. Here I zoom out a little bit so that you can really compare the color differences. Set 1, set 2, and then set 2, add more water. And these are some mixture of color. Mixing these two to get this one. And then this mixing green and red to get this one. And then this one is cosmic green plus blue. I really like this color. And it seems the mixture of green and red is more interesting than the original color. I think I'm glad that I bought the second set, because with the first and the second set, it feels more complete. And now I can get used to it and hopefully add it to my flower painting or the birds painting that I have been doing. By the way, let me know if you prefer to see real-time drawing and painting, or you like what I'm doing with my shots that speed it up. Let me know in the comment area, so maybe next time I can adjust to it. And that's all for today's swatching Kuretake Gansai Tambi Granulating Colors. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!